Blackhills Rock-Hound area is one of 2 designated fire agate localities on BLM land in southeastern Arizona, the other being the Round Mountain Rock-Hound area, some 27 miles to the southeast, near the Arizona-New Mexico border. Every year during the summer monsoon seasons, intense thunderstorms expose, transport, and deposit new fire agate and chalcedony for collection as heavy rain runoff rushes down from the higher regions of the Blackhills Rock-Hound area to the lowlands below. Now, I'm not in the market for picking up a bunch of rocks and carrying them around, but this is definitely one of the best places to find something as beautiful as this, just laying right there on the ground for anyone who'd like to collect it. There were at least 2 or 3 coyote that were kind of surrounding my xTerra last night while I was sleeping, which was interesting. Woke up, I can't remember, it was about an hour and a half later, and they were a lot closer. And I could hear them so close that I went ahead and opened my door just a little bit and stuck my phone out so that I can record the audio. And I'm going to include that right here, just so you can hear exactly what I heard for about, I think it was 1 minute and 30 seconds. I won't include the whole thing, but I'll give you a decent sample.
In a cage, hungry hearts in a rage, glowing eyes in a daze, turning around in a hurry, hoping you will come along. I'm running as fast as I can, in a desperate need of a plan. It's the work of one little man. I'm fading out from the story. Am I a passionate man?
I know everyone does not have the opportunity. Most people do not have the opportunity. Few people have the opportunity to do what I'm doing, and I understand that. And so obviously my objective is to is to provide the best vision of exactly what this life can bring, as opposed to an ultra edited or divergent reality. The experience is real. If it's not real, then it doesn't exist. This guy had the rug pulled out from under him and decided, you know what, hey, let's put together an xTerra and travel around the country vlogging and make $1 million. No. Like, that was the farthest from my mind. Been actually looking into the possibility of selling my home, and with the money that I got from the home, buying a sailboat, and my wife and I getting on that sailboat, learning everything we needed to learn, and building a channel. That was kind of the introduction to YouTube. And so I started looking into YouTube, and I started looking into sailboats, and I found Sailing La Vagabond. And of course from there, I could literally go on to at least a dozen others that I've followed. One that I'm a patron of. And here I am. Now, is that sailboat idea gone? No. Is it uppermost right now? No. Can't be. the opportunity that I've been given to continue this lifestyle. Now, I know that most people couldn't, and therefore I don't take it for granted.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down,